SAP FE Park AGL Document Posting. SAP FE also provides an option with limited authorization amount for posting. Example: an accountant has an authority to post documents to a maximum amount $2,000. Now he has to feed a document with an amount of $5,000 for which he does not have the authority. SAP FE provides a park facility for the document which allows the user to save the document, but the amount is not posted in the GL accounts. This allows to review the document later reviewed by a higher authority personnel who has appropriate posting amount authorization. Once approved, the document is posted in the GL accounts. How to park a GL document posting? To hold a GL document posting, you can use the T-code FB50 and enter the following details. Enter document date. Enter GL account to be credited. Enter credit account. Enter GL account to be debited. Enter debit amount. The next step is to press the Hold F5 button at the top, enter the temporary document number and click Park Document.